Good morning, Ellie, bright and sweet, marching with her tiny feet. She waves her trunk and starts to play, a happy start to Ellie's day. Ellie finds a puddle wide, she jumps right in with joyful pride. Splash goes water up so high, raindrops sparkle in the sky. Two bluebirds come to sing along, tweet, 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 they hum her song. Songs can bring a rainbow, shine so bright, so wide, colors glowing side by side. Ellie lifts her trunk up high, touches colors in the sky. Here come monkeys, 1, 2, 3, swinging from the tallest tree. Ellie joins the happy band, clapping with her big gray hand. Butterflies in yellow and blue dance with Ellie through and through, flapping wings and giggling sound, magic flying all around. Ellie spots some ants so small, marching bravely one and all. She kneels down to say hello, smiling softly, trunk down low. Tired Ellie takes a rest, under shade she loves the best. Wind goes whoosh, leaves go sway, dreams of splashes fill her day. Tired Ellie takes a rest, under shade she loves the best. Wind goes whoosh, leaves go sway, dreams of splashes fill her day. Whoosh goes Ellie's mighty spray, making fountains all the way. Friends all cheer, hooray, hooray! Ellie brightens up their day. Clap your hands and spin around, Ellie's dance has magic sound. Monkeys jump and parrots sing, Ellie's trunk does twist and swing. Sunset paints the sky in gold, stories whispered soft and old. Ellie hums her gentle tune, waiting for the rising moon. Moonlight sparkles on the stream, Ellie's world feels like a dream. Splash once more beneath the gleam, shiny stars all start to beam. Ellie yawns, her eyes grow tight, softly hums her lullaby tonight. Dreams of rainbows, friends and play, good night Ellie, end of day. Ellie yawns, her eyes grow tight, softly hums her lullaby tonight. Dreams of rainbows, friends and play.